I have spoken to him. No further comment? No further comment. Great. I'm Paul Thompson.
You're listening to 3 PBS FM.
we've got our car over there, and apparently a few people are a bit stressed about that. I just wondered what the situation is with that. We've got all of the other vehicles that we came down in. There was sort of about a convoy of about 10 other cars, and we've taken them around there, but just so that we can travel between the car park and here for anything, and in case anybody...
Which car park do you want to travel with?
It's car park. It's the one down the end.
See, you said the other day that you'd agree to put your vehicle over there.
Over there?
On the other side of the road.
We got directed into them.
Well, actually, because more cars were on that side going down, we thought it would be more convenient for you people if we had it over this side. If you want it over there, what, just on the other side of that air show reserve?
Just on the other, remember where they had the cigarette packet
Where we
on
had
the
the
fence?
cigarette, yeah. Well, that was where they were talking about having the toilets. That's why I put the cigarette packet on the fence.
Yeah.
But we'll put it over there.
Yeah, if you put it over there, that'll be fine.
Not a drama.
And, yeah, that's all right. The vehicles can get in the gateway all right, can't they?
Yeah, we're just going to be leafleting people sort of as they come up and as they go through those gateways. Is there anything that you wanted of us?
No, you're fine.
Right.
You're happy here.
Yeah.
All good.
Yeah. Except for, there is one thing. These guys, we're really unhappy about them. As soon as we arrived,
Which guys?
the film crew here.
Oh, they're all right. They're my people. Yeah,
That's what we're concerned about.
Oh, well, I'm not. They're my
No,
people.
well,
What's the purpose of the film?
yeah.
Well, what's
Why
the
they?
purpose of this?
I'm from 3PBS, I'm doing a report on the airshow.
Oh, well, they're doing a report for me.
Right.
going to air
Can you say
on a
why
radio
they've been
station.
filming every person at the demonstration? What the reason is?
No, they're filming as a police operation. They're not filming you people as a demonstration.
No, they're filming each person here rather than filming, like, the cameras have been directed at the protesters rather than at the police. If they were filming the police, well, hey, let's film as many of your own people.
They'll be filming the police too.
Right. Well, we'd request that they stop filming, stop filming us. If anything,
Request denied.
well, is it possible if they stop filming us until some event happens that is worthwhile?
Oh, they
filming
will.
us?
They
Yeah.
will.
I mean,
They will stop filming
They're only here
until
because I'm
some
here.
event.
They're only
Right,
filming
okay.
because they're there.
Yeah, well, that's reasonable. Well, I mean, that's why we've got him here.
No problem.
Sure.
Yep.
Okay,
All right.
no worries. Can we get a copy of the film?
Oh, probably.
Freedom of information.
Hey?
Get one under freedom of information.
Don't start that business. You got one just ask.
Is it possible to get the horses moved up here?
I was just
off
wondering if
here
that's
as,
what you
as well,
wanted.
maybe over there, because I mean, there's already problems.
Oh, all right. Would you guys mind just moving over to the other place?
Terrific.